This is how I made a lemon candle mold using a real lemon. For the mold material, I used the silicone rubber I got from Amazon. It's really simple to use. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so you just pour 1 part A and 1 part B. I really like the quality of the mold. I've used other rubber silicone materials and this is one of the better ones. To reduce the amount of bubbles I get in the mold, I like to first mix the silicone rubber together so the bubbles have time to escape. The demolding time for this material is a couple of hours, I believe, so you have plenty of time to work after this. I mix the material for about 1 minute or longer if I feel like it still needs more mixing, and then I just set it to the side while I prep the container that I'm going to make the mold in. For the container, I use a hot glue gun and cardboard I have laying around. You have to be very sure that you're sealing every crack and crevice of the cardboard because the silicone will seep into everything. And so normally I do a couple of rounds of the hot glue. I put it on all the little openings that I see because the silicone will fill every single thing. Before I do the second round of hot glue around the cardboard, I wait until that first round is completely dry and then I can more easily see if there are any openings anywhere. Also, be sure to glue down your object, in this case the lemon, otherwise it'll float to the top once you pour the silicone. And here I'm just sealing any potential cracks that I see. And after the hot glue has cooled down, I am ready to start pouring my silicone. And I like to do this in layers to, again, reduce the amount of bubbles because there are probably still a lot of micro bubbles in that silicone mixture. And so I pour a very thin layer first, one to make sure that the bubbles underneath the lemon get released, but also to make sure that my cardboard is completely sealed because I've had many accidents before where I pour all of it in one go and then there's an opening that I didn't see and the silicone spills all onto the table. So you want to make sure that you pour that first layer, wait about a minute, pour your second layer, wait a couple minutes, third layer, and so on and so forth. At the end, I like to give it a few taps to release any big bubbles that still may be trapped underneath that lemon. I let the mold cure overnight and then I'm ready to remove it from the cardboard. You can easily just peel the cardboard off. You may have to use some scissors to cut out the mold. But normally, if you've sealed all the cracks, it should be very easy to remove it from the cardboard. If the opening of the mold is too small to remove the object, you'll have to use some scissors to cut it out. I like to make 2 slits down the sides on opposite ends so you can pry the mold open and remove the object. You'll then want to inspect the mold to make sure there are no major bubbles or other defects. After that, I'll use a threading needle to make a hole where I want the wick to be. If the silicone is too thin where you're making the hole, it might actually create an even bigger hole. So when you're pouring, just make sure you're making that part thick enough. I use a cotton wick for my beeswax candles, so that's what I'm putting in through here. I'm using the same threading needle to push it through. I then use a rubber band to hold the mold together. I pour in my wax slowly, but not too slowly so it doesn't leave lines. And normally I use a metal guide to center the wick, but this time, since I'm just testing it, I just center it by hand, and you can see that it left a line on the candle. To remove it, you carefully pry the mold open. This candle is still a little warm. I was anxious to test it out, so I have to hold the wick to pull it out to make sure that it doesn't slide through the candle. I then trim the bottom wick part, and the candle is ready. Can you tell the difference between the candle and the real lemon? Let me know if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, or if you're interested in knowing how I do something else. Leave a comment below and subscribe.